Back inside Falls Foundation Repair, and that's right, Falls Foundation Repair. Usually when you're in a construction office, you know, contractor's office, it's dirty and there's muddy boots, a lot of red ring boots and mud on the floor. It's gritty just when you walk in, there's dust on everything. But this is a really nice place. I mean, he could tell you a story about every piece in this nice office here. This is Mike Minter. He's the owner and of Falls Foundation Repair, but I've been doing these segments for a while, Mike, and he's not really like the owner, like the grand poobah going around. He works as a team with his people. I've heard him call them his teammates, his co-workers. And so if you were a football team, I guess you'd be the quarterback, you know.
Wishful thinking.
Yeah, the Troy Aikman of the championship team, right?
Well, that's a great analogy, and we appreciate that analogy. We wish that we were as good as Troy was back in the 90s, but we do think of ourselves as a team. I never want to come across as a king or something like that. Just an average guy here surrounded by a group of people that certainly make me look great, and we're always looking for new people too, and so if you think you want to work, or if you're in the construction industry and you're interested in a nice place, we feel like we offer a great environment and some great fellow teammates to play with.
Yeah. Tell me, now, he doesn't know I'm going to ask him this question, so let's see what his answer is going to be. Tell me 3 things that an employee would have to be to work here at Falls Foundation Repair.
Well, I think the first thing they need to have is a degree of loyalty, not just to the business or the business owner, but also to dedication and loyalty to the customer, to providing a great service. They need to be thoughtful of others. They need to be a member of our community. They need to be community orientated. We like to hire people that are involved with nonprofits. Maybe they run a route for the
Meals on Wheels.
Meals on Wheels.
Yeah.
We do that. I can't believe I can't remember that. We have that. Today's my Meals on Wheels day, Route 11 on the east side. But my point is we are looking for community-oriented people that are dedicated to others. I don't necessarily say family people, because we certainly have some single people, but we like the good father figure, mother figure type of individuals. And so when other people are asking you about, what was your SAT scores and we have
GPA.
Yes, and intelligence is very important. Most of our people are important, but we have things that we consider important: our family, community, things of those natures, and we want to be of service to others. So when you start talking about what we're looking for, that's what we're looking for in a person.
Yeah. And the take home for you guys watching is, now you know how Mike runs his business and what he thinks of his customers, because he wants the people that work here to be loyal, just like Mike is to his customers, and to be community involved, just like Mike is, kind of in the back a little bit more. And those qualities that he wants in the people that work here trickled right down from you.
I think so. I think that employees, organizations are seen by are mirror images of the leaders, and
not always. I've seen it different, but around here it is, and that's why I ask you that question, to sort of reveal that.
I think the smaller the organization is, the closer they mirror. I think as layers and companies grow, maybe. But for us, I want to empower my teammates to make decisions and to do what's in best interest of the community, as well as our customers, as well as our company, and individually as well.
Yeah. Well, we really didn't talk about Foundation Repair. We talked about the core values of the company that might help you with Foundation Repair. This is the team leader here, the quarterback of the team, the whole team at Falls Foundation Repair, Mike Minter. And so if we've had a hot summer, so it's a crack house. You've got those cracks in there, and you're like, well, let's go ahead and get this looked at this fall before winter really sets in. Give them a call at Falls Foundation Repair. See what they have to say.
Thanks, Adam.
Thanks, Mike. See you soon.